Are you a freelancer, remote worker, or part of an agency, sales team, or coaching business? In today's fast paced, remote first world, effective communication is more critical than ever. You are constantly trying to explain ideas, build trust, and connect personally with clients, but traditional methods often fall short. Introducing Sendspark, the leading video platform designed to transform your sales and marketing efforts. Sendspark empowers you to record and share personalized videos at scale, making every message faster, more personal, and more impactful. Whether it is for outreach, onboarding, proposals, or demos, Sendspark helps you cut through the noise and build genuine connections. So, how does Sendspark make this magic happen? It is a simple, four-step process. First, record one video. You can even include a placeholder for your viewer's first name, ready for personalization. Next, easily import your contacts. Whether from a CSV file, your CRM, or via API, Sendspark integrates seamlessly with your existing tools. Then, let our AI do the heavy lifting. It creates personalized videos for all your contacts, tailoring each with their name and a custom website background. Finally, share these powerful personalized videos in your sales sequences and marketing automation emails. The results speak for themselves. Users report a remarkable 2 times more LinkedIn replies and 3 times more email conversions. One client even saw an additional $100,000 in annual recurring revenue in just 1 month. With over 350 reviews on G2, Sendspark boasts an impressive 4.8 out of 5-star rating, a testament to its effectiveness. More than 50,000 companies trust Sendspark videos to drive revenue and enhance their customer engagement. Sendspark offers a robust suite of features designed to streamline your video communication. Leverage AI personalized video scripts and a teleprompter to ensure your message is always on point and delivered flawlessly. Automated workflows allow you to set up campaigns that run themselves, saving you valuable time and effort. Combine your videos with custom intros for a polished, professional look that captures attention from the very first second. Personalized thumbnails ensure your videos stand out in crowded inboxes, enticing viewers to click and engage. Create custom landing pages with embedded calendars and branding, making it easy for prospects to book meetings directly. Enhance your presence with camera effects and backgrounds, allowing you to present yourself professionally in any setting. And with detailed viewer analytics, you will gain insights into who is watching your videos and how they are engaging, helping you refine your strategy. Sendspark is also GDPR and SOC 2 Type 2 compliant, ensuring your data and your clients' data are always secure and private. Sendspark empowers a wide range of professionals, from sales development and account executives to revenue operations and customer success. Marketers, agency professionals, recruiters, and internal communication teams all benefit from its ability to connect with customers more effectively. Imagine the impact of personalized video in your daily client communication. Build trust, explain complex ideas, and close deals faster. Sendspark is your partner in creating a more human and effective communication strategy in a digital world. Ready to transform? This video was made using HeyGen. If you'd like to know more, read the full review below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Remember, work smarter, live better.